Hey guys, Vivian here. So today we're with the special guest A.
Hello.
You might have seen her in a video, the snowboarding video. And today we're going to be doing a chocolate taste test of Ghiradelli chocolate, not sponsored. So we're going to be seeing whoever gets the most right has the best taste buds. And I'm really excited to try.
This is called exercising our taste buds.
So we're gonna be tasting number one first, I guess. Okay. After we wrote down our answers, we're gonna go to the next one. Now that we're done eating all 12 of the chocolates, now we're gonna tell you what we think it was.
Number one.
I think it was raspberry.
I think it was raspberry.
I think it's raspberry.
Are we correct?
It was dark chocolate raspberry.
What's number two?
Milk chocolate caramel.
Milk chocolate caramel.
Sea salt caramel.
It was sea salt caramel.
Congratulations.
What is number three?
Wait. Milk chocolate almond. I think it was sea salt almond.
Milk chocolate sea salt almond.
It was milk chocolate sea salt almond.
Oh.
Number four.
I think number four was sea salt sorbet.
I
Dark
think
chocolate. Oh, yeah, sorry.
milk chocolate toffee and cookie crunch.
Dark chocolate sorbet.
Number four was sea salt soiree.
That's right.
And number five?
Pumpkin caramel.
Dark chocolate bourbon caramel.
Bourbon caramel.
Number five,
Logan, you got
pumpkin
that-
spice caramel.
Logan, how did you get that wrong? You like pumpkin.
Pumpkin spice caramel.
Said my name.
Number
Oh my
six.
god, I got a lot wrong.
Number six.
I think number 6 is peppermint. Dark chocolate peppermint.
Dark chocolate peppermint bark.
Dark chocolate peppermint bark.
Number seven.
Eggnog.
Eggnog.
That's gross. Eggnog.
Number seven. Eggnog.
Number eight.
Peppermint brownie filling.
Peppermint brownie filling.
Peppermint bark.
Peppermint brownie filling.
Number nine.
Caramel. Dark chocolate caramel.
Dark chocolate sea salt caramel, which I already know is wrong.
Dark chocolate, milk chocolate caramel.
Number 10.
Number 15. Toffee cookie crunch. Toffee and cookie crunch.
Pumpkin and spice caramel.
Toffee and cookie crunch.
Number 11.
Blueberry dark chocolate.
Dark chocolate blueberry.
Blueberry.
Dark chocolate blueberry.
And number 12.
Bourbon caramel.
Sea salt. Sorry. I don't know.
Pumpkin spice.
Bourbon caramel.
So how many have you guys gotten right? You take turns.
I got 10 out of 12.
6 out of 12.
Eight out of 12.
Which is your favorite?
My favorite one was number 1. Because I like raspberry.
A.
I have no idea.
My favorite one was number 10, toffee and cookie crunch.
So don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos like this. Bye.